In this video today, I'm preparing a Kobe beef hamburger. That's right. Kobe beef. No?
Kobe beef. You gotta try this Kobe beef bacon cheeseburger with truffle sauce.
Ooh, truffle seasoning. We're going all out with this Kobe beef hamburger today. Kobe beef is the priced top quality cattle from the Taijin strain. I believe the name's from the Japanese prefecture, Hyogo prefecture. That's where they got the name the Kobe beef. And we are trying some top quality meat today. What's that? All right, let's get to it. Outdoor cooking. Got the fire pit going. We're gonna get to preparing our Kobe beef now. It's gonna roll it up, kind of dough-ish. Do dough, almost like a smash burger. Let's do it now. Let's season it with the truffle sauce now. We have our zesty truffle seasoning. Let's go. Okay. And I'm gonna add more later on too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get those patties cooking. Yep, save that for later. You want tomatoes too, right? While we're at it, let's have some tomatoes while we're cooking our food here. Bite. Okay. She said it's juicing. Absolutely. Uh-oh. Piece of meat's falling from there. That's okay. Kobe beef. Alright, we're using some Jimmy Dean Applewood smoked bacon. Latest bacon in here. Just to get some of those bacon juices going so we could cook our eggs later on. How many bacon pieces you want? 2?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, we all get 2 slabs of bacon. One more for good measure. I lost count of the bacon. Yum. I mean, who doesn't like bacon with their burger? Bacon on a Kobe beef burger. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. Take this first piece off, lettuce head on the top, discard that, then you have a nice fresh piece right here. Going all right. It's egg cracking time. I mean, at this point now, I could probably just like have this dish as is with the bacon and Kobe beef and eggs, like a breakfast, ultimate breakfast. But no, we're making the Kobe beef burger. So we're not gonna go light on the truffle. Let's just add some truffle zest on some of the eggs. Add that zest there. Sprinkle more on the burgers, on the patties, some on the bacon, just truffle seasoning everywhere. Yes. There's that patty. One place the egg right on top. Okay. Nice runny egg with truffle seasoning. Pepper jack cheese. Okay, another piece of bacon on top. Lettuce, and then lastly, tomato. And then some more truffle seasoning. There you have it. Kobe beef burger. There you go. Kobe beef hamburger. Everything's done. It's been prepared. Bun, tomato, egg, lettuce, truffle seasoning, bacon, Kobe beef. So we have a tower. And this is Hawaiian bread, sweet Hawaiian bread, the bun. That's what we're using today. Okay, let's go. Let's give this beauty a bite. Pat that down a little bit. First bite of the Kobe beef hamburger. Oh man. Okay, here we go. Been waiting for quite some time to bite this. Okay, bite. Oh wow. Oh, that meat quality. Oh, the juiciness of that. Not sure if it's from the bacon, but I do taste, you do have that premium beef patty flavor kind of sticking out. If you ever had like a Wagyu or a premium top quality meat, yeah, that fattiness, oh, that was just marvelous. And that bacon too. The bacon, the lettuce, tomato, that burger combination is so good. And the egg. All right, let's bite again. Bite. It's gonna get messy, but that is delicious. I love it with the egg and the cheese. Oh wow. That is meaty delicious. And that sweet bun, the Hawaiian bun, it's a nice container for this Kobe beef. And the truffle seasoning, I forgot to mention the truffle sauce. That seasoning is, you taste it too. I love truffle. Oh, that's so good. Get this bite here that's kind of falling. Bite. That patty is just delicious. Straight up. A little bit salty, a lot of flavor. It's fantastic. And the onions too. Did I put the onion in here? Did I add the onion? I'm not even sure if I added the onion. Oh, I didn't even have my onion in here. Oh well. Okay. Anyways, let's keep munching on this. Maybe I'll bite the onion. Chase it with the onion. Bite. Onion. Let's keep going here. Coming to the last few bites here. Oh wow. Bite. Oh. Help myself to another piece of bacon. Put that on top. And of course, add some more truffle seasoning. This is like my favorite type of seasoning. The truffle. I love the flavor of truffle. I could have that on anything. Bite. So good. Another onion. Looks like we're closing in on the end of this Kobe beef hamburger. Loved it. I have 2 more bites for Shauna and Safi. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little outdoor cooking scene again. Kobe beef hamburger. You can probably pick it up at your local grocery store if they have it. If they do have it, pick it up, cook it, eat it, however you want to top it off with, or just have it by itself, whatever. Delicious. With that said, enjoy the bite life. Later. Bye.